Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and there are two seasonal produce items that I absolutely love and cannot wait to share with you: the champagne mango and the watermelon radish. The honey mango is considered the champagne of all mangoes, hence why we also call it the champagne mango. It's small, delicately shaped, has skin that ripens to a golden yellow, and its flesh is velvety smooth with almost no fibrous texture and with a wafer-thin pit, which is awesome. And another cool note is that it contains enzymes useful for tenderizing meat that also acts as a digestive aid. When it's fresh, they're firm, have unblemished skin, and a fresh scent. And to ripen, just leave them at room temperature for several days until they yield to gentle pressure, and then keep them in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. And they go great in salsas, smoothies, desserts, in a fruit bowl. But my absolute favorite thing to do is to put them on salads. They bring some delicious, bright tropical flavors to any salad. Just sprinkle them on top and serve them up. And another one of my favorite all-time things is the watermelon radish. It's just so beautiful. It's slightly sweeter than an ordinary radish, but they also have mild subacidic taste. And the first thing you'll notice is their vibrant color when cut open. It's a beautiful magenta surrounded by a burst of green, similar to a watermelon. Obviously, why they call it a watermelon radish. Try covering them with ice water after slicing them for extra crispiness just a few minutes before serving them up. And also when choosing them, be sure they're full of color and firm and have well-formed roots and a green top. They make such great garnishes because they're so beautiful in color, but they're also really good in salads, on cheese boards, in bowls, and my personal favorite, on top of a roast beef and cheese sandwich. These are two great seasonal produce items that you should absolutely check out the next time you're at Heinen's. I've obviously got some mangoes and radish to eat. We'll see you next time.